So this is the little Arduino online editor, and that's a program that I uploaded from the web package that I'm using, which comes with the SparkFun Mini Inventors Kit. Wow, that's tricky to get in the right spot. Anyway, so I made one of these, and I took the pattern out of the book, which looks like, sorry, not very prepared, like this. Oops, that way up. And actually, probably just as easy for me to show you the computer version of it, because it's in color and it's so cool. So I'm copying that thing anyway. So I put this program into my little Arduino. I haven't figured out what all these things do yet, but that's my next job. And basically it's a temperature sensor, and so it is putting a little output out here, and it's reading it every second. And now let me see how close I can get. So on my breadboard, this here is the temperature sensor, that black dot just above my finger, which you can't see because it's looking kind of cluttered in there. So in a sec, I'm going to hold on to that, and hopefully the heat of my hands will heat it up. And you should see the temperature just here going up slightly. So holding on to it now, and the temperature's gone up to 22. How hot is my hands? 23. Wow, super hot. Okay, anyway, and that's all it does, which isn't very amazing to you, but it's pretty cool to me. So now I'm going to go through this code and figure out how it does it, and see if I can play with it and hack around with it and make changes to it. The end.